Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I want to make it instant coffee with this glass to my mother. Okay, so let's just start. Okay, so the first we put it the coffee into a glass, and then we pour hot water into it. Where's thermos? Oh, we use this. Okay. Be careful because it's very hot. Already, guys. So let's just stir it. Stir it tightly. Okay. Stir it tightly in here. Oh no, this still. Wait, guys. Okay. Because this have take a long time and not very here. Oh guys, maybe these are ready for the coffee. Okay, the coffee is ready to be served. And what yeah? Oh yeah, I will give this coffee to my mother. Okay, so mother,
Yes,
this is the coffee. My coffee. Okay.
thank you.
Okay.
I'll try this, right? No,
Okay.
ya? Bismillah.
How's the test?
Alhamdulillah, it's good. Thank you, Ilyasa. Barakallahu fiik.
Okay. Shukron.
Afwan.
Okay guys, maybe that's all for my video, and sorry for this what a fault in my video. And the let's end this with kafaratul majlis together. Begin. Subhanaka Allahumma bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Okay, that's all. And the last what I want to say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.